my oil. Water is boiling for the macaroni. It's elbow macaroni. And we're gonna make a chili mac. It's homemade. It's pretty much anything you like to put in there. But I'll show you the ingredients I use. Okay. I have chopped onions and bell peppers. Put it in so you can stir fry it, saute it. This is about 3 tablespoons of garlic, minced garlic. So just put the whole thing in there. Use as much garlic as you want, as much bell pepper, onions as you like. Garlic. Then I'm going to put, this is shredded pork. Now you could use shredded beef or whatever kind of meat you like. This is pork though. You put that in there with it. It's already cooked, but you saute it a little more. Simple. Now you're going to add your diced tomatoes, okay? 1 can of diced tomatoes. 1 can of corn. We're just going to use maybe a half a cup, half a can of peas. Need the whole thing. No, it's almost not. We'll use the whole thing. Out of that. While that's simmering, then we're going to put the macaroni in. Use any kind of elbow macaroni that you like. This is sweet, but it doesn't stay brown. So don't worry, okay? Okay, it's just whole wheat. down so it doesn't stick to each other. Sauce that you prefer. I'm going to add on hand traditional spaghetti sauce. Spoon, because you want to salt this and pepper it to taste, okay? Don't use the same spoon you're cooking with. Using 2 cans. Well, I used 2 cans of tomato sauce or spaghetti sauce. Okay, I'm going to rinse this back off. This is my spoon I'm cooking with. Little testing spoon. Alright, perfect. So just let that kind of simmer while your macaroni is cooking over here. And then we'll come back in a few minutes when the macaroni is done and put this together. Okay, now we're going to add the ingredients. Chili. Okay. So just put that in there. But that's what makes the chili mac. Okay. Some people like a lot. Some people like a little bit less. That's up to you how you want your chili mac to taste. it all up. It doesn't take that long. You have your meal, no time at all. Probably less.